Hi beauty. So the first thing to do is to prep your eyes. So I'm using my concealer from Smokey to prep my eyes for the smoky eyes. Going to blend. So after blending, I'm going to set with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So after that, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown gel liner as my base. And when applying this gel liner, make sure that you are applying it only on your mobile lid. Don't take it above your crease. So after that, you are going to use this type of pencil brush to blend the edges. Don't use this type of blending brush because it will make the black eyeliner to be all over your eyes. So you have to use a precise pencil brush. Then what you will do is you just blend the edges. What we are trying to do is to soften the edges, because if you look here, it's looking rough and harsh. So we are blending only the edges to soften it. Can you see now? It's becoming better than before. So you keep blending. That is why I said use this type of pencil brush so that you get the precise application. So after blending the eyeshadow, as you can see, it is much better than before. So you are going to set the gel liner with a black eyeshadow. So I am using this eyeshadow from Essence. I'm going to take off the excess. We don't need the excess. And then you start setting. So we have set the gel liner. It's not going to move, but then we don't have to leave it like this. It's still not looking good. So another thing you will do is to pick up an eyeshadow that is matte. So I'm going to use this reddish matte eyeshadow here from this palette, and then I will blend around the edges. So I am using this blending brush from BH Cosmetics. You take the top of the excess and then just around the edges. What we are trying to do is to soften the edges and to make both eyeshadow to blend each other. You keep going back and forth. Keep blending until you see that the eyeshadow has blended so well. There is no harsh lines. If you need more eyeshadow, you go back, you take. Like now, I am satisfied with the blending. And if you notice that the black eyeshadow has faded, you go back and reapply. Eyeshadow application is going back and forth. So I'm going to apply. And then after that I've done that, I'm going to go back again and blend. When holding your brush, don't hold it so hard, just loosen it a bit so that you have that seamless blend. So I am satisfied with the eyeshadow. I'm going to apply my falsies. I am using my duo lash glue. You all see me use this many times here on my channel. So beauties, the face is done. So I use my MAC graphic liner on my waterline. So I'm going to use this same pencil to smudge the eyeliner a little bit. We are repeating what we did to the eyelid, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take this reddish eyeshadow here to smoke it out. So after this, you can apply mascara to your eyes, but I don't feel like doing it. So I'm going to set the whole of my face with my MAC Fix Plus. So beauties, this is the final look. So as you can see, you only need 2 eyeshadows and a base. You have to have a black base for your eyelid and then a matte black eyeshadow. You will also need a transition color to blend that black eyeshadow. It's either you are using a burnt orange, a red eyeshadow, or a burnt yellow eyeshadow to blend it. So hope you enjoy this type of tutorial, and if you do, kindly give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.